Hello Ride On people, beautiful late April morning today. It's early morning, it's a little bit cool. We had a lot of overnight rain, but the sun's just coming out and it should be blue skies ahead. And today, I don't know if any of you are Walking Dead fans, but a couple of actors in that, and one is Norman Reedus. And if you watch Ride with Reedus series, where he rides all over the world with fellow actors and other celebrities that he knows, it's a pretty interesting series if you want to watch that. I'm not a huge Walking Dead fan myself, or it's just something I've never actually watched, but I do watch Ride with Reedus. And anyway, him and a fellow actor in that owns a restaurant called Nick and Norm's in a place called Sony, which is South Atlanta. Normally we only ride north, typically into the mountains, but today we're going to do a big loop of the 285 outside the 285 perimeter ring road around Atlanta, which is a bit like the M25 if you live in England. So we're going to try and avoid the 285, but go into the countryside around it and do a big loop. I haven't ridden so much in the south, so it'll be kind of interesting topography. Hopefully meet a few interesting people, and we'll stop at a few places. Sorry, it's a bit breezy, a bit like an autumnal English day today, but that's perfect for riding, hopefully. So anyway, stick around and you'll see how we get on. So sorry about the breeze and the squint, it's very bright here. So we're at freewheeling in Douglasville, which is a great Honda and Triumph place. Really good customer service here. I like this dealership a lot. And in a comedy moment, we've come here to have a look around for half an hour. And the place is shut because it's Sunday. Originally planned this ride as a Saturday ride, but it's actually Sunday and it's shut. Once again, apologies for the breeze today. Beautiful place though, all the bikes out there. So we'll have a little leg stretch and we'll continue. So we're having a leg stretch now, just south of Douglasville, and next stop is Sony for Nick and Norm's. And Jerry's on his actually on his old bike, his GSA. While his bike's in being having the new engine fitted, and there's been a slight delay on that. I can't give the exact reason why, but it's nothing to do with Ducati. And hopefully he'll be up and running in the next week or so, but we'll see. Anyway, onwards and upwards. So we're in Sony, beautiful little place. Let's go and eat at Nick and Norm's. Beautiful day. And this is Nick and Norm's. So let's go inside, see what it's like.
I think Colorado land is better than Australia.
So we stopped at a Shell gas station now, McDonough, and we're heading up towards Conyers. Been out in countryside. It's beautiful actually, in the south of Georgia, south of Atlanta rather, and never really been down this way that much, and it's been really beautiful countryside, beautiful houses, really nice. It's going to get probably a bit more urban now, a bit more industrial, but enjoying the ride anyway, so beautiful day for it. So kind of end of the day, we're at a Texaco just outside Conyers, heading back home. Had a nice time. Nick and Norm's is a great place if you're in Sony or south of Atlanta and you fancy a good burger. I had a bison burger there, very nice, great service, and beautiful little town, really beautiful little buildings, very historic, lots of character and beautiful surrounding areas. So yeah, it was fun. Another good day in the neighbourhood.